Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and evidently I misunderstood the person. And then they sent me this file back. They really just asking how to get the K inside the circle like a ring. But this is a white text, and I'm not 100% sure this is going to work if you're going to engrave it. Let me move my yellow box out of the way for a second. And this is all one piece, so it's really not going to work. But what I would suggest is move your outer circle out of the way. Take your KY and turn it into an outline. And first of all, there's something wrong right there. There's some extra lines. And what I would do is nudge that out of the way. Let me go up to Object and Group. And let's see what's there. See, there's an extra set of lines on that K. So let's go to Object and ungroup them, and let's just get rid of this. Ungroup all. Let's just get rid of this K, because you can nudge it right back. So, first question is, how do you get, I guess they're making a ring and going to have the KU in it. So we actually, let me nudge this back over, and this is already cut out. So I don't think this is going to work with front minus back, and it didn't. It got our shape, but I'm going to have to go to Object, convert it to curves, go up to Object, let's convert that to a curve. Somehow I need to break that apart. Let me go to Object, ungroup all, get just the text, and let's move it out of the way. Just, I don't like moving stuff. Let me nudge that over the other side. And nudge that out of the way, and then tell you what, we don't need the yellow box anymore. And let's take all this and basically go front minus back. And that's 300 points, and you want, if you're cutting it out, you want to make sure that's a hairline. So double click on that, make that a hairline, and I would make it in red so you'll know it's a vector line. And then just nudge your circle back over, so now you have a circle, and if you fill it in with a smart fill tool, you know it worked because it looks like that. But what I would suggest is basically this would be reverse engraving, because if you remember right, you had this was white, so take your smart fill tool and fill this in. Now you're going to need to fill in these other parts that the smart fill tool couldn't get to. But this is going to, so the black is going to engrave and the white is going to not engrave. Kind of like what you had, but for sure, go to order. And so now you have no white in there. So that's transparent, so it's not going to engrave. I truly hope that's what they were asking, and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.